Hey y'all, welcome back to Soulsome Foodie. I'm so excited to have y'all tuning in today for this easy, delicious, and irresistible pot roast. It takes minutes to put together, and you simply let the crock pot or the oven do all the work for you. Stay tuned. Okay, let's talk ingredients. Here I have my chuck pot roast. I also have a packet of au jus gravy. I have some thyme sprigs here, some paprika. I have some ranch seasoning. You can also buy a ranch packet of seasoning from your supermarket if you don't have any. I have some garlic paste here, a little bit of chicken broth. I have some pepperoncini peppers. Any kind of pickled pepper will be just perfect. I have a small onion that I've sliced really thin. You can also add other veggies like potatoes or carrots. I wanted to keep this one low carb, but feel free to do whatever you like, and a little bit of butter. I like to use crock pot liners because it just makes cleanup so easy. So I went ahead and put the pot roast in. Now I'm going to spread out the garlic paste all over, and then I'm just going to go ahead and add each of those ingredients that I've showed you. This literally takes minutes to just drop into the crock pot, and like I said earlier, the crock pot is going to do all the work, and it's going to be so delicious. You will be so surprised. Please try this recipe. So with these pepperoncini peppers, in addition to using the pepper, you just saw me pour a little bit of the juice in. That's also really tasty. Totally optional, but I really like to do it. All right, this is what it looks like about halfway through the cooking process. As you can see, it's getting nice and cooked and soft and delicious. Here's a picture of how it looks when it's all done, and here I am just showing you that it is fork tender. I like to cook mine on high for about 6 hours. Cooking it on low, of course, it'll be a little bit longer than that, but just keep your eye on it until it gets about this tender. Alright, and now it's time for plating, which is my favorite part. I like to pair this with a beautiful salad, just some greens and cucumber and onion, and then I'm just pulling apart that tender pot roast. I add a few peppers on top, and y'all, this is so good. Like, I can't even emphasize that enough. I can't. It's so good. Here we are for a close-up. We are at the end. I know it was fast. This is just a super quick recipe. I like to add my favorite dressing to my salad, and you're done. You're ready. You're set. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.